All right, guys, this is me again. This is Emmett, the Alpha Builder. And what I'm going to talk about today, it's not this nice looking black German Shepherd here, but it's this grass here that we're looking at here. Got a weed right here. Hey, man, you can eat the weeds. Guys, this right here, I went on ahead and spent a little extra money on this stuff. This is called Emerald Zoysia, and it's one of the grades of Zoysia grass, but it gets really like a really greenish color, and you can kind of see. I got to do some work right here, guys. So I've been working on this right here, but you can kind of see back here. This is the first season of it. So actually, my neighbors over here, they have I don't think they have emerald, but they have a grade of Zoysia grass. Now, this grass is totally different from, it's a different type of grass that it's not like Tifton Bermuda, a Bermuda grass. It's a little different than that. So your whole game plan has got to change. Your whole thinking on how you treat your grass and how you do what you need to do to your grass, it has to change, guys. This grass here, so one thing is you don't water it. You don't actually water this grass in the evening. When I had Tifton Bermuda, it did better when I watered it in the evening because it could soak through the ground and everything. But this grass right here is probably not good to water in the evening, because what it allows to happen is you get too much water in there and it gets soaked in through the root systems, and you can get fungus and stuff like that. So you really need to water this grass early in the morning. So instead of at nighttime or when the sun goes down, you need to water this before the sun actually comes up, because this grass has a lot of roots in it and it's really thick and heavy at the bottom. And so what happens is, if you water it early in the morning, really before the sun comes up, it allows it to evaporate during the day. So it's better for your grass if you water it like that. Also, this grass, now although I came out here and I picked a whole bunch of weeds out of here, but this is the first growth. My first season of this grass may not be that great, guys. We're gonna hold on to it. But the second time around, probably next season, this stuff is gonna be really plush. It's gonna be like carpet. It really looks like carpet. I saw one of my neighbors down the street had this type of grass, and I was like, I gotta have that grass. And my landscaper, he had all kind of different Zoysia grasses, but I was like, I gotta have that one, and it ended up being Emerald Zoysia. But this right here has a really thick root system, guys, and the good thing about it is it actually chokes out the weeds. So weeds have once this stuff gets established and get to growing, it actually gonna choke out the weed. And it's another thing, guys, you can kind of see. I'm trying to keep my eye on my dog too at the same time. He'll get up and just run somewhere. But guys, if you notice, if you look at my house up there, I got a bunch of trees. I got a bunch of trees, and in the back side of the house, I got trees up here. And guys, so I'm getting a lot of shade over here. This grass is shade tolerant too, so it works out really good. It only needs about 4 hours of sunlight during the day, 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, and it's good. Which means I don't have to worry about it. And actually, it stays green longer during the season. And then it's the first to green and it's the last to go dormant. That's another good thing. So also, once it gets established, guys, you can water this stuff once a week. So this grass actually, it's not like my Bermuda grass that I had, guys. That Bermuda grass, I used to have to water that stuff every day almost, or every other day. Now, right now, I'm actually watering it every other day, early in the morning, so it can establish its root system. But guys, you actually spend less. Now, to put this grass in, it was probably another $3,000 more. But you pick that $3,000 up while you got the grass, because you water it less. It's cheaper to water. You know, it chokes out weeds. He got a hold to another dog over there. We're not gonna do that this morning, buddy. And so sometimes you spend a little bit more money on the front end, and that's just about with anything, guys. I'm starting to realize that just about everything. Shoes, I had to go buy some shoes. You just go ahead and get a good pair of shoes, or go ahead and spend a little bit more money on that top tier item, and it'll actually save you money, save your knees. It actually saves you guys money in the long haul. So I just thought I'd do this right here, quick video on emerald Zoysia grass. Like I said, this is the first season. We've been watering it a little bit. I had to come out here and actually pick it. I had just too many weeds in it, man. I can't stand for a lot of weeds to be in there. So I came out here and picked these things out. And I also had to stabilize that hill up here, man. I threw some more seeds. I had to throw some fescue on that right there. We gotta get a good growth on that right there hill. So this is kind of where we're at, guys. Spend a little bit more money on the front end. You know, sometimes it's worth it. Now, if you're crunching budget, guys, I get it, man. Some homeowners are crunching a budget and they're trying to get their budget right. Yeah, you may can't do that, and I get it. So don't mess your budget up trying to get that. You may want to come back later and do it. So once again, guys, doesn't take much to hit a like, share, subscribe, or whatever. Just help me grow this channel and help me grow builders. And at the end of the day, this is the way. You guys have a good one.